You're watching How Leap. Let's learn how to sync WhatsApp contacts on your Android phone. First, ensure your contacts are saved to your Google account and not just the device. Open the Contacts app, tap the three-line menu, and check the default save location is set to your Google account. To sync, go to your phone's settings, then Accounts, select Google and ensure Contacts Sync is enabled. Tap the three-dot menu and select Sync Now. Next, open WhatsApp. It will usually sync contacts automatically. If contacts are missing, force a refresh. In WhatsApp, tap the three-dot menu, Settings, then Contacts, tap Refresh. WhatsApp will now scan your phone's address book. If contacts still don't appear, check WhatsApp's permissions. Go to Settings, Apps, WhatsApp Permissions, and ensure Contacts permission is allowed. Also, ensure the contacts are saved with the correct country code in their phone number. If a contact uses WhatsApp but isn't showing, they may have privacy settings that hide them. You can also try clearing WhatsApp's cache. Go to Settings, Apps, WhatsApp, Storage, Clear Cache. Do not clear data. Restart your phone and open WhatsApp again. Your contacts should now sync properly. For more simple computer tutorials, subscribe to the channel.